Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of power tools with the best purple drill set available in the market. This isn't just any drill. It's packed with features that make it stand out from the rest. Stick around to find out why this might be the perfect addition to your toolkit. Let's start with what makes this drill set special. It's from BURGARDEN, a brand known for quality tools, and it comes in this striking purple color. But looks aside, it's what's under the hood that counts. This drill features a powerful brushless motor, which means it's more efficient, runs cooler, and lasts longer than traditional brushed motors. With a maximum torque of 450 inch-pounds and speeds up to 2000 RPM, it's ready to tackle a wide range of tasks, from simple household repairs to more intensive DIY projects. Let's talk about some standout features. First, it offers 20+3 torque settings and 2 variable speeds, giving you precise control over your drilling and driving needs. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or plastic, you can adjust the settings to match the task at hand. The ergonomic design and lightweight construction, just 2.5 pounds with a battery, reduce fatigue, making it comfortable to use even in tight spaces. The built-in LED light illuminates your work area, perfect for those dimly lit corners or evening projects. And with two 20-volt 2Ah batteries included, each with a power indicator, you can keep working without interruption. Plus, the fast charger ensures you're back up to full power in no time. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable, powerful, and stylish drill set, look no further than the BURGARDEN Brushless Cordless Drill. It's backed by positive customer feedback and offers features that make it a top contender in its category. Whether you're tackling small repairs or ambitious projects, this drill is equipped to handle them all with ease. That wraps up our review of the best purple drill set available today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed product reviews and buying guides. Have questions or want to share your own experiences with this drill? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.